Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: device serial or IMEI, your account credentials, and proof of ownership. Once you have them, sign into the device owner account and enable location services and remote lock. This allows tracking and locking immediately. Next, activate cloud backups so data can be preserved before any wipe. Make sure to set a strong passcode and biometric protection, and record a recovery email or phone. These first steps make stolen device protection effective from the outset. Now you activate the full protection suite. Enable Lost Mode or Find My, enter a contact message, and force an immediate lock. This prevents unauthorized access while showing return instructions. Then enable Remote Erase and Test notifications to ensure commands reach the device. Also turn on two-factor authentication for your account to prevent takeover. Finally, register or report the theft to your carrier so the IMEI is flagged. These middle steps reduce risk and preserve recourse options. You finish by verifying protections worked. Confirm remote lock or erase succeeded and save timestamps and screenshots for records. Once done, file a police report and notify your insurer, supplying serial, IMEI, and proof of ownership to support claims. If remote commands fail, make sure your account credentials are correct, use account recovery flows, and immediately contact the carrier to block service. If needed, escalate to the device maker's support. One key tip: retry commands after toggling network or using a different device to send them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.